Today we are going to discuss Introduction to Accounting for Grade 11. Topics we have covered in this presentation are: what does accounting means in common language? Why do we need accounting at all? Definition of accounting by American Institute of Certified Public Accountant, objectives of accounting, advantages of accounting, and limitations of accounting. What does accounting actually means? The dictionary says the process or work of keeping financial accounts. And what do we mean by these accounts? An account is a record or statement of financial expenditure and receipts relating to a particular period or purpose. You must have noticed that even in day-to-day life, knowingly or unknowingly, we do keep account of our daily expenditure. How? For example, when we leave house, we know how much money we are carrying in our wallet. And at the end of the day, we definitely like to know what has been spent during the day and what has left in the wallet, or how much cash has left in the wallet. So when we do these calculations, unknowingly we are actually doing accounting for our own purpose. But when we are talking about financial accounting, it is basically accounting for a business concern. So here, accounting includes the entire process of gathering the documents, the information, the work of keeping the books related to accounting, preparing the financial statements, analyzing those financial statements, and taking decisions based on those financial statements. So now coming on to next slide, why do we need accounting at all? Before going further, we need to understand why are we actually learning this subject? What is the purpose behind learning accounting? See, even in a very small business, it is not easy to keep track of your profit or loss on a day-to-day basis, or to keep track of exact result of the business transactions. It might be possible to say on an approximate basis that what is the result of a particular deal or from a particular consignment, but to say exactly what we have done in a particular period without maintaining proper accounts, it is almost impossible. So to understand the exact result of our business for a particular period, we do need to keep track of all the transactions we have done during this period, and to prepare the financial statements and to arrive at correct result from all these transactions. Though there are many more reasons to do accounting, but the primary reason is first to understand whether we have achieved our objective of doing the business or not. Also, when we are doing business, we have responsibility towards the society, we have responsibility towards the government, there are statutory requirements for maintaining accounts. So there are various reasons for doing accounts or maintaining accounts of our business or any business. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountant has defined financial accounting as the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which in part at least of a financial character, and interpreting the results thereof. So only preparing accounts is not the purpose of accounting. Analyzing those accounts and coming to a particular decision or conclusion, or making use of those information and analysis for decision making is one of the major purpose of maintaining or preparing accounts. So now we'll understand what is the objective of accounting. Recording business transactions in systematic way and maintaining it. Just recording the transactions in any way is not accounting. There is a particular way, there are methods of accounting. Going forward we'll understand how this is done. So that is one of the important objective of accounting. Calculating profit and loss. As we have discussed earlier, what is the reason of doing accounting? We need to understand whether we have made profit or loss from our business. So when we prepare accounts, so one of the objective of preparing these accounts is calculating profit or loss from the business in a particular period. Next point, determining financial position. How this is different from calculating profit and loss? Profit and loss is a summary of all the transactions, especially the revenue transactions in a particular period. Whereas determining financial position at the end of that period is understanding on a particular date or day what is the total liability or the assets or the total equity of the business. So understanding this total picture is another objective of accounting. Helping the users in informed decision making. There are two major types of users of accounts or the financial statements. One is internal users and the second is external users. Internal users are the owners, the management of the business, those who use this information for various kind of decisions, and external users are like suppliers or the creditors, the tax authorities, the government authorities. So all these users need this financial statement or information for various decision making or uses. And one more objective of maintaining accounts is statutory compliance. When we are doing business, we need to follow certain rules, certain laws like taxation law, company law, and we need to prepare our financial statements as per the rules or the regulations or the guidelines prescribed by these laws. So complying with all these laws is another objective of doing accounting. For example, based on certain criteria, a business needs to get its accounts audited so that the auditors can report whether this financial statement has been prepared following all the rules and guidelines or not. Because the entity then pays tax on the basis of the calculation or the profit arrived